Okay, testing. Also gonna put some audio, output capture. Here. Is it happening? Sounds like yes. Sounds like it's happening. So I can also open the chat also. Interesting. Nice. I'm gonna put some music background. Interesting, yes. Welcome guys. I came here to start my first live chat. Yeah. I'll close this. I'm very nervous, I think. I was trying to study a bit of AI, so open many things here open. My whole point here is to try to study AI. So I work as a software developer, but I want to try to leverage my skills and see what's going to happen, and also try to improve my communication, I'd say. Whatever enters in my chat, I just open. Maybe I don't want to advertise that, but let's see. Maybe I'll be improving my skills. I have some things to study. I think I'm gonna try to read some things in strategy because I'm trying to find a new job. And then that's pretty much it. Who don't know me, my name is Fabio. I live abroad. I'm from Brazil. So I'm trying to find a new job, or maybe trying to build something on top of new technologies that's coming. So many things. I just received the invitation to test one of the early stages of this new tool called Manus AI. So try to play around also and test it, and I did some prompts on ChatGPT because I was trying to create some strategies for me to build something, or also landing a new job. So whoever enters also, I hope they say hi for me. I don't know who I can see if there's people around. But I think there's nobody here yet. I was testing you. Actually, it's pretty interesting, Manus AI. So they have some prompt testing, and I noticed that so this is the prompt that Manus AI has pre-built, like imagining like a 7-day Japan itinerary for your trip. From 15 to 22 of April, including special location for your proposal. I'll research historical sites, hidden gems, and cultural experiences like Hindu ceremonies and Zen meditation, as well as plan for Nara's deeper part. I don't know what it is. I always want to go to Japan, but I don't know actually. What is this location? I'm very fascinated about Japan. So also learn about what I like, what I don't like here. It's near Mount Kasuga Primeval Forest. Where is this located? Okay, it's not far from Osaka and Kyoto. Okay, Kyoto sounds very familiar for me. Very old, very traditional. Let me check here. So Manus AI kind of created this requests. I was watching why he was doing this research, and it was quite interesting the way he was doing. So he was executing some commands. I think just trying to build some folders, creating files, which I'm gonna show you soon. Transportation, creating this also, scrolling down. He also searched about TripAdvisor and about things to do in Kyoto, Tokyo, and Nara in April. It seems like a very interesting month to go, I think, especially because it's spring and sakura trees are blooming. Yeah. So he said that it was encounter a captcha verification to be while researching Maros. This is a security measure that it requires human interaction. Like me too. Try alternative websites. Continue. I will continue working on Japan. He actually continued. So I will continue researching, traveling, hidden gems. He started to find other websites like Japan Traveling, interesting. Yak Japan, another website. He was doing a lot of things, a lot of new. Wow, interesting the results, I would say. He's searching all around the browser, all around the website, the internet. Interesting. And also, he was also creating a to-do list, basically. So it's quite interesting also the way he was handling this. After I think all those prompts, he said, okay, completed for Japan travel itinerary, a handbook. He was giving me a handbook. Very careful research proposed locations recommended during cherry blossom season. That's so interesting. All documents are mobile friendly. We can even download it. But just to understand here what is happening. So he created this travel guide. So he actually creates a few of the we can also check the code itself that was created. But he basically created the itinerary of 7 days. Wow, that's pretty amazing. Buya Crossing, one of the places I would like to visit. It's quite busy place, but I think it's anime fans would say that's a very interesting place to visit. One day I wanna go there. Not far from Tokyo. It's in Tokyo. Day 3, Tokyo Hidden Gems. Propose some places to go. Wow, quite interesting. Day 5, April 19, Kyoto Cultural Immersion. This ceremony experiences at Walk Japan. Wow, Day 6, Nara day trip, I think for Nara Park. Okay. Wow. Interesting. Even the routes also. The attractions in Tokyo. They even give you some tips also. How much it cost. What is the currency for Japanese currency? Japanese currency. IM, yeah, true. Almost forgot. Even some. Oh my god. Konnichiwa, Ohayou gozaimasu, Kumbaya, Sayonara, Sumimasen, Onegai shimasu, Hai, Wadoku desu ka? Ikura desu ka? I'm learning some Japanese here. Okudasai. Wow, very interesting. So, wow, even general etiquette is giving everything. That's super cool. It's like giving a very special experiences, individual experiences for someone. And you can even edit it. But let me go back here. The maps. The key attractions. Okay. Essential phrases. Etiquette, proposal, travel tips, emergency infos. Which I think I can actually try to change it here. If I would try to change it, how would I try to change it? Interesting. Let's go back here. I think those pre-builds. Interesting. I can attach. I have 1,000 credits here. Bonus for earlier adopters. Okay. More use cases. Oh. Interesting. But yeah. This is one new things. Don't focus on that actually. I wanna try to read some articles that I was building actually on ChatGPT. I kinda built this deep search tool. I was trying to see how to find market here. So I'm from Berlin, living in Berlin. So and I'm trying to find a way to get a job here. So I was actually creating this prompt here, and then I wanna see what the result of it. So because the new trends is about prompt engineer, artificial intelligence engineer. I wanna try to see how I could grow in these areas also. One in five. Oh wow. Describe. Blank. Do I have something here? First AI native agent automation expert teams. They were only founded in Crunchbase. Let's listen.
Positive. I think the tech works amazingly. I think it's just so clean and user friendly and helpful, and it just fits our use case perfectly.
NDAs. Have a discussion about NDAs today. Interesting. Do they have a website? Yes, GetFlank. Interesting. Alright, let me go back here. So, yeah, agents. AI Labs explore AI for self-driving. Automations tool for business process, AI-driven analytics, or the industry-specific AI applications relevant to consumers. This often applies but in Germany offer fertile ground for AI product innovation. Our recommendations ranges in retail. Companies are actively deploying AI. Job seekers can look through Zalando, Siemens. Evolution of developer flows with an AI integration. Software developers evolve rapidly. This is actually very accurate. I saw in this Contentful website. He is creating a new role. Different roles on label as AI are being reshaped. Yes, true. And many organizations encourage developers to leverage tools like Copilot or similar AI assistants to boost productivity. The answer, it's part of the process also to start engaging with AI. Like the face transformers, like chain. Yeah, this is also what I'm gonna do also a Hugging Face course that I'm doing. Yeah, this is very takeaway. This is a very important key point. It's very essential now. AI impacts context, object landscapes in Germany. Overall AI reshaping. Yeah, expertise is currently gaining skills in machine learning software engineering. Yes. That's also true. It's a hotspot place. Although I heard about France also is becoming a hotspot. They're investing a lot. Sure, developer incorporate AI into toolkit tests. Based lifelong learning. Yes. So I also asked, can you find posts related to landing? I just misspell it here. In a news world, recently give some tips to studies to find a new job. So, they were asking about some things like kind of industry. Also focus which areas, one examples, early, open, global. I look for detailed blog posts or video content. I say I say with, sorry, I put Berlin, then Germany, then Europe in this order. I'm looking for tips that people find a good strategy, or also feel free to build a good strategy to find a good. So I'm also doing this. So success stories and strategies for landing text goals. So this guy Gizer, physics to software developer, Gizer background in physics and drawing word coding. You get the chance to make new friends from all over the world from very good activity. Let's make a post here. Let's open up here. Take a look at this page. This is learning paid out. So let's see here. Where religion was originally posted to the Irohack blog. Yes. Yes. Irohack is also the one we did. Already with tech, but sometimes it's spicy background physics engineer. This spells drawing the word. Today as an associate software engineer at Dumb. scenario support with AI powered science. Okay. Okay. We go back to the article here. What you're doing before discovering a hack? Before discovering a hack, I had studied with a degree in Turkey as a product owner and Scrum Master. I continued working as a product owner for a while, but itch to deep into coding never went away, so I finally decided to take a leap. I wanted to learn how to code becoming a software developer. Initially, I started learning on my own through online courses, but it was a tough journey. One day I came across a hack. Learning on site. First of all you get a chance to make new friends all over the world. I did online in my case, but I don't have problems to also go to meetups, also talking with people. On top of that, there was amazing events and celebration that brought everyone together and made the experience even more special. Collecting carbon memories, yeah, I also did. I still have my group of friends. What was your experience as your teacher like? The teacher was fantastic. Range of topics. Journey from product owner to software engineer. Why she chose the bootcamp route? Aerohack Berlin has expanded offering to meet diverse learning. Their new one-year AI software program. Okay, combine the new one-year AI software program. I don't know. I think if I go Ironhack, I think okay, they have this. Okay, they have the new program. Interesting. I know this application. This is a Salesforce certification. I'm wondering if I could also by AI build this whole program. So it might be also possible. Yeah. Interesting. In particular, assessment for job seekers, which are available to you. It offers the same support to community. This one I did. The web. Yeah. And the career service might help you. But I don't understand. I think it is web development. It was not talking much about. Is this a new one? No, this is another. I have to say. Let me see the second one. Jessica, no textual data. non-profit, Benedict in non-profit finance before her role. Okay, I feel she was being curious. She done a 15-week. Okay, 15-week. Okay, almost a bit more than 3 months. Okay, we're all in on learning new tech skills. She was extremely active, applying for jobs and doing interviews even while studying. Yes, I did that also. Job offer from civic tech organization where she knows. Yeah. Got a call without Okay, let me see. It was an idea which came, yes. I have been obsessed with AI. That was so human friendly. Code bootcamps is notorious. I never had a chance to study something. I was really passionate. This talk went away. Students are expected to give up in their life and find and basically consume nothing but data science. Yeah, that's also good. If you dig down and talk only about this. I hard worked with Excel and project management, but I had never anything remotely like programming data. Sometimes I did not forget that the research was the boot campus to find a job. One day I was sitting and I was putting in the middle of a review class. I just spoke to this class, just give me a second. I was for 7 minutes, just running around. That's really cool. That's really cool. And then we'll have to first thing, yeah, it's like huge. Yeah, she did well. That's really good. Yeah. They went all in. This is the way I see it. Went in all in. Yeah. Rock also content to AI. Well, Rock Bankless doesn't know developer decided to break into AI fields. Content developers screen. Members reject application and failed to form standards for OpenAI. He asked questions, but he didn't wait. 5 roles for him. Encounters in the capture on his deep AI hobbies and the number one Stack Overflow computer for OpenAI API. Bringing his proprietary models. One interview about lacking confidence. How can I relate project confidence in his AI? He just has a project and continue applying with potential about it. Started working as AI in the road. And finally be confident in your value during interview. His advice for 2002: ask for feedback. You'll grow your skills. Keep applying. Don't give up. Yeah. Mario, senior dev developer with 10 years of software development experience, openly share gritty details of his 2024 job research. He sent out 100 applications. Yeah, that's only one offer. That's all it takes. Yeah. Exactly. You only need one offer. Result in the silence quote, and only 10% led during the response to all. He made it to a third round interview, one of the companies that finally offered him. The company reviewed 600 applicants and applied as Mario was what not this job hunt was much harder than it's a number game, yeah, even for experienced staff. Don't take a rejection personally. Yes. One experience two jobs offered in 2 months after 2024. His approach was very tactical. After 1 month break, the view LinkedIn properly structured. His experience as engineering tools captured his resumes bullet points. Yeah. UK working Germany. Yeah. It's old Reddit. Okay. Let's go back there. He was still getting first interviews even after he was second on first. You found that third-party recruiters could be hit or miss. Many would go into one of the tech specs to match. His tip: mirror the job description's keyword when talking to recruiters to tick their boxes. Hot sectors like pharma tech and HR tech was actively hired. Many inbound contacts came from those. Yes. Once you started receiving offers, you prioritize it. He didn't hesitate to drop out process that required no normal stake-home task if he already had a comparable offer. In the end, he received multiple offers, ranging from 75 to 100, to the one slightly below 50. Optimize your online presence, present with the trend. Rely on your job board, let your previous manager choose. Yes, polish your interview. English 1 was fine for all the time. Your limits to avoid burnout. Influence active but global. Does it exist? Yes. So key takeaways. Across the stars, almost are persistent. Expected doses of notifications of growth and effort. Continuous learning. Bootcamp time, projects and self-study. Network optimization. Connecting providers. Network with peers and recruiters. There is one slide back. Often came from a mix of proactive building smart using AI for resumes or online classes, and cheer per 7. As one starts to read, there are chances out there for those who do not give up. That's good. Great. The tech marketing release challenge, but I think it feels like finding a place. Use every resource available. Communities and jobs are what we need, I think. Yes. Alright. I will not continue the streaming, I think. I think I'll prefer I wanna do some small pause here, but I think it's nice to see to have like a small starting, and I think that'll be creating new ways for me to improve myself also. So thank you guys. I will do more streamings soon. Yeah, see you around.